ATR Bravo 1700 tree requesting pushback. Ground ATR Bravo 1700 tree, no pushback tug is available to answer your request. Ground ATR Bravo 1700 tree with Sierra ready to taxi IFR. ATR Bravo 1700 tree taxi to and hold short of runway 10 via taxiway November 2 Whiskey. Contact tower on 118.1 when ready. Taxiing hold short runway 10 using taxiway November 2 Whiskey ATR 00 tree.
Cathay 509 and contact ground about 2 on this calling up
1219 and 5, Cathay 509.
Expressing 601 and 40, just turn right to your left. Taxi via Charlie, holding on short of Sierra 4.
Cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you.
Tower Singapore 773 ready at runway 10 departure to the south.
Singapore 773 wind 115 at 1 tree. Traffic is ATR on final. Departure to the south approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 10.
Cleared for takeoff runway 10 Singapore 773.
Tower ATR Bravo 1700 tree at runway 10 ready for departure IFR to Nangon. ATR Bravo 1700 tree hold short runway 10. Traffic is falling on the runway. Hold short runway 10 ATR 00 tree.
Rotate. V2.
ATR Bravo 1700 tree line up and wait. Singapore 77 tree continue for south departure.
Tower Singapore 773 continue for south departure.
Line up and wait ATR 00 tree. 10 approach. ATR Bravo 16867 tower. Altimeter 29.76, wind 115 at 1 tree. Cleared ILS Yankee runway 10 approach. ATR Bravo 1700 tree, altimeter 29.76, wind 115 at 1 tree. Cleared for takeoff runway 10. Singapore 77 tree, leaving my airspace, frequency change approved.
Tower Singapore 77 tree, frequency change. Taipei approach Singapore 77 tree is tight, Boeing 5 miles southeast of Songshan 2,900 feet. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Singapore 77 tree, Taipei approach. Squawk 01 tree 5.
Squawk 0135 Singapore 77 tree.
Singapore 77 tree radar contact 7 miles southeast of Songshan, 4,100 feet. Cleared through the Charlie airspace. Maintain own navigation.
Cleared through the Charlie airspace, Singapore 77 tree.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned
Squawk
off.
7000.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is
Frequency
turned on,
change approved,
toilets
Singapore
should not be
773.
used, and we apologize that we are unable to
Taipei
serve hot
Center Singapore
beverages.
773 is tight,
Infants
going
have to
6
be
miles
carried out
south
from
of
the back
Songshan
and
9000
secured with
feet.
infant seatbelts.
Request flight
Thank
following.
you.
Airbus 509er climb and maintain flight level 280. Singapore 773 Taipei Center. Squawk 0744.
Squawk
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall be
0744
starting our
Singapore
meals and drink
773.
service. For your entertainment, we have a wide selection of video and
Singapore
audio channels.
773 radar
Program
contact
details can be
7
found
miles
in the Discover
southwest of
magazine
Songshan
along with helpful flight tips to help you
10,600
feel
feet.
relaxed during your flight.
Altimeter
We're delighted to offer you
29.76.
exclusive in-flight shopping experience after the meal service. Product
Airbus
details available for
358, you are
selection can be
500
found
feet
in
below
Discover
your
the Shop
assigned
magazine in
altitude.
your seat pocket.
Climb and maintain flight
Electronic
level
devices such as
180,
laptop
altimeter
computers may now be switched on.
29.76.
If your electronic device has Bluetooth or
Roger,
Wi-Fi
Singapore
functions, please
773.
ensure these are disabled as they may interfere with aircraft instruments and systems. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your
Climb and
seatbelt
maintain
fastened.
flight level
If using a
180
blanket,
Airbus
please fasten your seatbelt
358.
over the top so that we can